Suryono, and I am from Cirebon City. I'm currently a network engineer in Cirebon City government. It's my pleasure for me to meet you all. If you want to contact me, you can send me a message, an email to yono.suryono@gmail.com. Let me tell you a little bit about the background why I want to share about this knowledge. Nowadays, the internet has become a necessary that we use every day, whether in doing our work, communicating with our colleagues. Even at home, we still use the internet to interact, like looking for news, make a phone call, and make a video call also. So the internet has changed our lifestyle and the way of life, how we interact to other humans. The internet is a global network that connects a million of computers around the world, and we can imagine that how big the network about the internet. Through this network, we can access information, access communication, and carry out various other activity online. By now, the device who can make us online is not just computer. It could be smartphone or smart TV, even smartwatch. So we know the internet is very rich as in every side. Some even say the internet is like we can search anything in the internet. If we can search anything in the internet, so how we can make a difference between good and bad about the information we looking for. I'm very sure the internet cannot make a difference yet about good and bad. So the best who can make a difference yet is the internet user himself. If like this, how about our children at home? They are still in learning and developing stage, and they have to make a decision which this is good and which this is bad. I don't think so they can do it. I know it's not a perfect way to control, but at least we can monitor, we can control the flow of information which sends via the internet. I want to introduce you about the web filtering feature using filter in MikroTik device. The computer connect to other computer is using an IP address. So the computer cannot recognize google.com, yahoo.com, and facebook.com and anything else. Human to memorize the IP address is very difficult. So there is a technology I usually call DNS. It's dynamic name server, which the function is changing the name like google.com to an IP address. Finally, the communication will be great. By being able to filter to control the rule in the MikroTik device, so we can sort out what website we can allow to our family access, to member our family access. Let me show you the picture about the scam. Now you see this is computer connect like a picture. It's connect I'm using cable lane RJ45 to a MikroTik device. This is MikroTik device. Okay, now from the MikroTik device, I'm using Wi-Fi connect to the internet using hotspot of my phone. Now I turn on the MikroTik device. Oh, it's already turned on. I turn on the MikroTik device first, and then I try to configure the MikroTik device using standard configuration. It means there is no filter rule, no web filter. You can see my computer can access to like maybe facebook.com. Okay, now you see my computer can access facebook.com. Now we open the MikroTik device, we configure the bucket. This is standard configure. This is already I configure before I make this video. This is standard rule, standard configuration, how to make the MikroTik device as an internet gateway. So I add a new rule in MikroTik device. I open IP and then firewall and then filter rule. Okay, now I add the filter rule. Now I want to block maybe a Facebook device just for example. Wait, I make changes forward and then contain facebook.com action block, apply and then okay, it is. Now I try to open the facebook.com app now. Okay, now you can see my computer cannot go to facebook.com. Let's change maybe to Google. I try to Google. I still can access google.com, but I cannot access facebook.com. This is what I mean is a filter. We can sort out which web we want to block it or disallow to access at home. We can add manually every site we want to block, and this is we can control what is the usually use my family access to the internet. If like my home, all the member of my home using Facebook, but I don't like Facebook. In this with this configure, so we can block them to do not access Facebook. Maybe generally we can access block it a website, pornography, terrorism, maybe crime, so many things, so many samples. Now I already show you how to block a website using filter rule. So this is just a simple way with free code. There is no license when we buy a MikroTik because a MikroTik has come out with a license. So I have an advice to you all. Please, when you use internet, you have to be wise because all of it on your hand. Thank you for watching.